I am now at the Silver Moon consignment barn. Let's go in and see what we can find. Well, I know I'm gonna get a key for that. What else is, oh my gosh, look at that crazy knotter. Let's see if there's anything else I need a key for before I go much farther. It's a little crazy in here, I'm not gonna lie. Usually do this on a weekday. All right, well, I did go ahead and grab that rubber face Santa Claus. This is $15 and 20% off, so 12 bucks. I've gotten a few things like this already, otherwise I would pick that up. What about the candlesticks? How much are those? 20 bucks. Like that peachy color. All right, now this is not the booth I was expecting to find here. It looks like a lot has switched around, which shouldn't be a surprise at this point, because a lot of things have been different up here. I feel like it hadn't been that long since I'd been here last, but maybe it has. This is really pretty. This would be at 12. I feel like I could do well on that. Oh, dude, 35, 20%. Is it all payments? I might have to come back to this booth. Well, I'm already upstairs because for some reason the vendor I was expecting to have a bunch of booths down there is no longer there. So I don't know if they just moved or... Also, this flamingo is $15. Oh, it's got a big chip. That makes more sense. I'm like weirdly into this. It's a really cool shape. 15. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's fabulous. This is kind of cool too. Definitely different. Not really my thing. Although I did the pottery train with the Thriftingtons. Whoa. I think those are exactly what I think they are. That's very cool. Did the Thrifting Twins pottery train and I had a blast. Did a lot better than I expected too, so that was refreshing. Why is this $5? Oh, it's because it's not a vase, it's just a lamp. Shade, I can't even think clearly right now. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm goofy now. Oh, love that. Ooh, look at these glasses. How fun. Set of 3, $5. Well, that's kind of a no-brainer, isn't it? The starburst pattern. I think I'll get those. Jewelry. This wasn't here last time. Really fabulous hair comb. Look at this little plastic shell. Oh, that's so fun. 20 bucks though. I got really excited when I saw the fruit, but unfortunately that does say $40. Dang. It's really hard to find those at reseller prices. Huh. This wasn't like this either. Look at these guys. $20. They're fabulous though. I don't know if they're worth that, but there was something. Oh, there it is. The squirrel. 12 bucks. These glasses are starting to really, really annoy me. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. $20. You know what? I gotta check these for chips. Oh, it's got a little nicking right there, but still. Oh, it is amazing. I've never actually seen these. H702. Right? H702. Fabulous. $1. Slide glass for $1. Well, that's a yes. My gut is kind of saying to get these and save them for the Kitsch train, but the more I look at them, the more I see what's wrong with them. So I'm going to leave them for that price, since they do have that little bit of damage, and I already saw a chip on each, so if it wasn't for the chips, I would totally do it. More jewelry. It's a nice one. kind of jewelried out right now at the moment, believe it or not. And it kind of looks like the other vendor was looking forward to is, unfortunately, a little picked over. There's their other booth. There's not really much here. It's more country style than my taste. Well, this caught my attention. Why is this $10? I don't know. But for $10, I'm gonna take it. Well, that was a steal. I spent $26 in 26 minutes in there. I'm pretty proud, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna hop in the road. I'm gonna go to Lewisburg next. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time for Street of Shops. Also, my phone's about to die. I can't even tell if this, I don't think that's my car. Just kidding, that's not my car. I'll see you guys when I get there. I've made it to my last stop of the day, which is Lewisburg Antique Mall. Unfortunately, I did run out of time for Street of Shops, but that just means that I'm gonna have to come back. Oh my gosh. This is Trippyville all day. $30 firm. It's so fantastic. It's an otter. Oh my gosh, look at the cat. Dude, what? Huh. Interesting. I might have to Google these. Stonehouse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I like turned around to Google stuff and then I saw what was happening here. Dude, this is $23. I could kill it on this. This is $30. I feel like that's a really good price. Definitely gonna go ahead and grab that. Oh my gosh, this one's $32. It's purple. Viking, $10. Dude, what is happening right now? Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. The little owls, these are good. $3. That's kind of perfect for Trippyville. Ah, well, I'm not that disappointed. I'm not gonna have time for roller mills at this rate. $6 jadeite. That's not jadeite. That's painted. I need to put my basket down and like calm down. That's Repop. By the way, I know those. Oh my gosh. Okay, basket down. I was gonna say I know those paper mache or Repop, but they're really well priced and really in good condition. Calm down. Right. Little hobnail Amberina moment. 15 Fenton. Not bad. This acro agate vase is only $8. I'll take that. Oh my gosh, how fun. Those are fantastic. Wait a minute, 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 wait a minute. $18 for the pair. They got some paint loss, but still. Dude, I need a babysitter so bad today. These are fantastic. They're $3 each. Oh my gosh, I love him even though he's newer than I like him. Oh, I'm crazed. These are fantastic. I can't get over those. I'm not a big paperweight person, but I like the dips in this. That's really cool. Canoa, $12. That's really neat. Now, what are these? Make your own realistic costume? Character? Wig? Hold up. And I do have Petite Palooza coming up to think about. Now, that one has a repaired neck. Do they all have repaired necks? Because it's $1.50 for all three. I kind of feel like if it's just one, that's fine. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? I think, is this what I think it is? It is. Oh my God. Wait, what? Dude, what is happening right now? This is like the craziest day ever. I'm about to clear this whole thing out. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab both the Norcrest deer. I've never even seen these before. That's insanely amazing. I am like, whew, I need to chill. Like, look at everything happening. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me start down here. These ducks, $7. Salt and pepper shakers. Those are fun. We'll take those. Is there anything else? Oh my gosh, look at those cows. Ah! 28 firm. I've never seen this one. This is adorable. I've gotten such good deals today. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. This is, I think, Broadway. Yeah, Broadway. This one's a newer one than that one. That one's 30 firm. I'm gonna leave that. This is 20, but it's in like pristine condition. These are $15 each. They're fabulous. I'm gonna take the one with the mushroom, right? Because I kind of feel like, why not? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. Wait, I'm putting that down, I know. Deer Bank, $5. Sold. Now, I know enough to know that this is it's a good price for a collector, but a little close for resale if you ask me. However, I've never really seen the purple one. I think I'm gonna get this purple one. This is amazing. I'm very overwhelmed.